Don't we all love flocking around the street side vendor waiting for our turn to indulge in our favorite street food? I'm sure most of us do. But this time, let's just try and make it at home instead. Hello and welcome to Flavors of Happiness. I'm Rohini and today I'm sharing the recipe of one of the most loved street foods of India. Call it ragda patties or aloo tikki chaat. It will always leave you craving for more. Let's take a look at the recipe. For making aloo tikki chaat, take a pressure cooker and add 3/4 cup of white peas which I had soaked in water overnight. Add 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste or half teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 400 ml, that is 1 3/4 cups of water. Now we need to pressure cook this for 20 minutes or 10 whistles. While the peas are boiling, we will prepare the tikkis. So I have 8 medium-sized potatoes which I have pressure cooked for 10 minutes, that is 5 whistles. Also make sure that your potatoes cool down completely before you start preparing the tikkis. Add 2 chopped green chilies, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, rock salt to taste or 1/3 teaspoon, common salt to taste or 1/3 teaspoon, lemon juice of 1 small lemon, 1½ tablespoon of chopped mint leaves. Mash all the ingredients thoroughly with a potato masher. Then add 4 to 5 teaspoon of rice flour, which is the binding agent. Use your hands to mix it well. If required, add another 2 teaspoon of rice flour and knead it like a dough. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Now grease your hand with some oil and take little quantity of the potato mixture in your hand. Roll it into a round shape like this. Then flatten it a bit. Our aloo tikki is ready. Follow the same process for the remaining tikkis. To fry the prepared tikkis, take a frying pan and add 6 to 7 teaspoon of refined oil. You can make 8 tikkis in this much of oil. Heat it up and add few of the tikkis. Keep the flame low. Add a bit of oil on top of the tikkis. Flip the tikkis after 4 to 5 minutes. Keep flipping and frying the tikkis till they turn golden brown like this from both the sides. Prepare the rest of the tikkis in similar fashion. All our tikkis are ready now. Our peas have boiled. Mash it slightly for a smooth consistency. Now let's prepare the chaat. Take a plate and add 3 aloo tikkis. Add around 3 tablespoons of the prepared peas curry, 2 teaspoons of curd which I have diluted with 2 teaspoons of water, 2 teaspoons of mint coriander chutney, 2 teaspoons of tamarind chutney. Watch my chutney special video for the recipe of mint coriander chutney and tamarind chutney. Next add 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle some rock salt to taste. Then add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of barik sev. Sprinkle some chaat masala to taste. And finally some chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. Spicy, tangy aloo tikki chaat is ready to be served. I'll see you next week with another such recipe. Till then, happy cooking!